Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Melv's Kitchen, where we cook with love and flavor is always our priority. In this video, I'll show you how to make the perfect fish balls that can be added to your dishes like peanut butter stew, red palm oil soup, and so on. Here are the ingredients you will need for this recipe. I'm using 3-pound boneless tilapia fish. Start by adding your fresh vegetables to a food processor. I'm adding onions, habanero pepper, garlic. If you have fresh ginger, go ahead and add it as well. Blend everything until it forms a smooth mixture. Next, add the fish to the food processor a little at a time, depending on the size of your processor. This helps ensure the fish blends evenly and creates a mixture that is consistent. Now it's time to add in your seasonings. You can adjust them to your taste. But I'm using chicken bouillon, organic ginger powder, and white pepper. Be careful not to over season, since this fish ball will be added to a stew later. Once you add in your seasoning, blend lightly and go to the next stage. Now adding the peanut butter to help give the fish ball a nice texture. Using about 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. You don't want to add too much of it, just enough to help bind the ingredients and create that mixture. The secret to making the perfect fish balls is not to overblend the fish. That slightly rough texture gives the fish balls a better bite. Next, transfer the blended fish mixture into a mixing bowl. Mix the blended mixture thoroughly to make sure everything is well combined. You want to ensure there are no lumps of peanut butter sitting around. Now it's time to scoop the mixture into evenly sized balls. Make them a reasonable size so they cook evenly. A quick tip for shaping the fish balls: always keep a bowl of water nearby. Dip your hands in the water as you form the balls. This helps prevent the mixture from sticky and make it easier to shape smooth. Continue this process until you have shaped all of the mixture into fish balls. Next, set up your frying pan and add vegetable oil. Allow the oil to heat up properly before frying. Carefully add the fish balls into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Be very cautious to avoid burns, and continue the frying until they turn golden. Flip it around to avoid any stickiness or burns. Once your fish balls are nicely fried and golden, remove them from the oil and place them in a strainer or on a plate lined with paper towels. This helps drain any excess oil so they stay light and not too greasy. Repeat this process until you're completely done frying all the fish balls. that's it. Your homemade fish balls are ready to enjoy, crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. Perfect as a snack or an addition to your favorite stews and soups. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipe. Bye.